In this video, we will look at some of the best scuba tanks on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Teotoni Mini Scuba Diving Tank. The Teotoni Mini Scuba Diving Tank is a versatile and compact option for beginner divers, designed to provide a safe and enjoyable underwater experience. The 0.5L oxygen cylinder allows divers to stay submerged for 5 to 12 minutes at depths ranging from 1 to 10 meters. The actual duration depends on the individual's lung capacity, the diving depth, making it an excellent choice for beginners looking to explore shallow waters. Luminous instrument. The design includes a luminous gauge that remains visible even at 80 meters underwater, allowing divers to easily monitor depth and pressure. Pressure reducing valve. This feature enables users to release excess pressure safely and efficiently. Air filter. The multi-filter design ensures that the air is breathable and pure, enhancing the overall diving experience. Professional dust cover. The customized dust cover protects the air inlet from impact and debris, maintaining the tank's performance and durability. The tank offers 3 inflation options to cater to different scenarios, with a maximum inflation pressure of 3,000 psi, 200 bar, 20 MPa. Anti-corrosion and high-pressure treatment constructed from 6061 aluminum alloy with multi-layer anti-corrosion coating and a fully automatic mirror layer. The tank is both robust and durable. Number 4. X3000 Portable 0.5L Mini Tank Diving Scuba. The X3000 Portable 0.5L Mini Tank Diving Scuba is a compact and efficient solution for divers seeking a lightweight and portable option for underwater exploration. The X300 model offers a 0.5L oxygen tank with a compressed air capacity of 100L. Divers can expect to stay underwater for 7 to 10 minutes, depending on their individual lung capacity. This makes it ideal for short dives or quick underwater inspections. Design and dimensions. The tank measures 35.3 centimeters in length and has a diameter of 5.71 centimeters, making it easy to handle and transport. Weighing in at a point of 5 pounds, it is lightweight enough for convenient use without compromising on durability. Color options. The X3000 is available in 3 colors: yellow, green, and black. This variety allows divers to choose their preferred color based on visibility preferences or personal style. Number 3. QDWET Mini Scuba Diving Tank Equipment. The QDWET Mini Scuba Diving Tank is designed to offer convenience and reliability for short underwater excursions. With a focus on portability and user-friendliness, this mini tank is ideal for both diving and snorkeling enthusiasts. The QDWET diving tank has a 0.5 liters capacity, allowing for approximately 170 underwater breaths. This translates to 5 to 10 minutes of diving time, though actual use may vary depending on factors such as diving depth, water temperature, and individual breathing rate. Designed for ease of transport, the mini scuba tank is lightweight and compact. Its portability makes it a great option for those who want to enjoy diving and snorkeling without the bulk of traditional scuba equipment. Number 2. SMACO S401L Mini Scuba Diving Tank. The SMACO S401L Mini Scuba Diving Tank is an advanced, portable solution for diving enthusiasts. The SMACO S400 can be shipped from the Czech warehouse to a wide range of European countries, including Spain, Portugal, Germany, France, and more. Buyers in remote areas may need to pay additional shipping fees. Taxes and duties are the responsibility of the buyer, and special requirements for declared value should be communicated at the time of order. Number 1. SMACO Mini Scuba Tank with Snorkel Mask. The SMACO Mini Scuba Tank with Snorkel Mask is a versatile and innovative diving solution, combining the convenience of a snorkel with the capability of a mini scuba tank. This system operates like a regular snorkel at the water's surface but activates the 0.5L mini scuba tank when submerged, allowing for approximately 6 minutes of underwater breathing. The actual duration can vary based on diving depth, water temperature, and individual breathing rate. Smooth breathing experience. The scuba kit features separate channels for inhaling and exhaling, ensuring that exhaled CO and residual are expelled quickly. This design allows for fresh air intake through both the mouth and nose, promoting a relaxed snorkeling experience. The unique breathing system also prevents the mask from fogging up and keeps seawater out of your mouth. Multiple usage options. The package includes 2 snorkels and a mouthpiece, providing diverse options for diving or snorkeling. The full-face snorkel mask and the mini scuba tank can be used separately or together, depending on the situation, giving users the flexibility to adapt to various underwater activities. Travel-friendly design, the compact scuba tank can be disassembled for easy transport, including on airplanes. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.